Today in this video I'm going to explain Motorola Moto Z9 play hard reset or no command solution. Press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds and select restart. Hold down the volume down and power keys simultaneously for a few seconds. Release all buttons when fast boot mode appears on the screen. Navigate to recovery using the volume keys and confirm with the power button. If the Android robot image appears, press volume up and power key together. Use volume buttons to select wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power key. Select factory data reset and confirm with the power button. Choose reboot system now using the power key. Wait for the hard reset process to complete, which usually takes a couple of seconds. Once the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.